move everything, okay? And I'm going to say next. It says to you here, do you want to add any grouping level? I said yes. I want to group it by the full name. Then it's going to create a header, the grouping for me by the first name, but it will not add a footer. And that's what I really need to add, in order to put the sum there. I'm going to say next. Yes, you could actually, within the group, you could sort it by the name of the products. Then next, I need to change the orientation from portrait to landscape. And next, I'm going to change the name suggested to me with the QRY. This is not a query, this is a report. And I will say finish. As you notice, I got everything, which I could go ahead and play with it. If I wanted to go ahead and change, for example, the formatting of this can be done by you, no big deal. But do you notice here that in the black one, there is a full name header there?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to right click on this, the right click, and I'm going to choose sorting and grouping. Sorting and grouping. Did you see that, guys?
Yes, sir.
It's going to be this screen here at the bottom, okay? And it says group on full name. That's fantastic. That's what I want. But I'm going to say more. More what? I'm going to say here, by default, it's giving me without a footer section. I'll say I wanted to change that with a footer section. With a footer section. And when I do this, it immediately added full name footer. The full name footer. And it gives me an area. I could drag this. And it allows me to put whatever I want in this area. What I wanted to put in this area is really a calculated field inside the report. Remember, we had calculated field inside of the query, which we did it for every record. But here, our calculated text box is going to be really based on vertical calculation, not record by record like we did in the query. So I'm going to grab a text box. This is a text box, and I'm going to draw it here. Immediately with the text box, it's going to give me its own label, which I'm going to be calling it sum per customer, just to make it a little bit more clear. And in that and pound, I'm going to start by equal, just like Excel, sum, which is a function built in Access, open parentheses, exactly like Excel, except of giving it a range in Excel, we give it a word here, which is the sum of the total. The sum of the total for each product. And immediately, while I'm there, I could select multiple of them, and I could go ahead to the format and make it bold size 16, just to make it really big. Squeeze this a little bit, get this a little bit better. Here we go. And also click on the right button. On the right button, go to the property and change the format to currency. And that should be able to do it for me. Also, I could go ahead and go to the design and grab a line. I'm hitting the shift key to get it a straight line. And if you will see now, if I change the view, now by clicking that to the view of the reported view, it came a little bit later, but it came. It's showing me the sum for each person. Can you see that, guys?